Together. So I added sound 4 and 5, the bass, and 5, the turntable. So that's 5 sounds. 6 without the mic. With it, I can be heard. So 6 different noises to begin. Make some noise. Nice one. Sorry guys. Sir, do you have your backstage pass? Aye? Good answer. Okay, I've got a harmonica here. I'm going to play this harmonica and beatbox at the same time. What the hell's going on? It's my ex-girlfriend. She always does that. Like every single time I perform. She just runs in and out. Right, here we go. The bass drum. The harmonica. Yeah, clap with me, you seem clappy. Over here they're not clapping at all, it's because they're in the shades. Clap, it will warm you up. I'll just keep looking at you till you clap. Okay, nice. Here we go.